Hey friends, if you wish to set disk quotas for users in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So we'll go to this PC. Now right click on a disk other than the C drive, whichever disk you wish to manage quotas for. Select show more options and properties. Now there is a section here, the quota tab. Click on show quota settings and you can manage quota properties here. For example, if you want to do that, then select this one, enable quota management. This will highlight all the other options. You can deny disk space to users exceeding the quota limit, and or you may choose not to do that. And you can set the quota limit here by clicking limit disk space to and then so and so. Okay, and then you can also manage logging from here. So basically, limiting the disk space is allocating the quota. You can select it at GB, and this is GB. So you can make it like 400 GB, and you can make this like 200 GB, and then click on apply. And then okay, now I selected 200 and 400 depending upon my requirements, but you can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.